Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's class. How are you, students? I hope you all are well. We all know Bangladesh is a overpopulated country. Am I right, students? Yes, Bangladesh is a overpopulated country. At present, what is the population of Bangladesh? Yes, we are now in almost 17 crore people. But in previous period, what was the condition of the population of Bangladesh? In previous time, in 1974, the population of Bangladesh was 7.64 crore. And after that, in 91, that was 11 crore 50 lakh. After the 2001, it was 12 crore 93 lakh. And in 2011, it was 14 crore 97 lakh people in Bangladesh. And at present, in 2020, we are in 17 crore people. But what is the population growth from the 1974 to at present? In 1974, the population growth was 2.64. After that, in 91, the population growth was 2.01, and in 2001, population growth was 1.58, and in 2011, the population growth was 1.34, and at present, our population growth is 1.03. That means our population growth is decreasing. What is the population growth? The population growth is that calculation where how many people are added in 1 year in a particular area. That means if in our country, what is the birth rate and the death rate? If in our country every year 25 lakh people, 25 lakh child are born and 6 lakh are died, so that our population were 19 lakh added. That means from 25 lakh born and 6 lakh died if the left population is 19 lakh, and every year 19 lakh people are added in our population with our population. That is called our population growth. How many people are added in per year? That means in per 1000 year, how many people are added? At present, our population growth is 1.03. What are the reason behind the increasing of our population or increase our population growth? When the birth rate is high, that time the population growth is increasing, and the mortality rate is low, that time the population growth is increasing. And when the child marriage is increasing, that time the population also increase and population growth also increasing. And some religious superstition is also responsible for the increasing population growth. And lack of education. Lack of education means the lack of awareness, and for that reason our population is day by day increasing. That's all are the reason behind the increasing of population growth. When population growth are increasing, many kinds of bad effect are facing to the all of the population of the country. And what are the effects of bad effects of the increasing population growth of our country. Here are some effects. At first, the increasing population create pressure on natural resource. What have we discussed in our previous classes? And after that, extra population create pressure on our basic rights. When population growth is increasing or our population is over, then our area, that time our government cannot give the properly our basic rights to all of the people properly. After that, many social problems are creating for the overpopulation. When population are increasing, there here many unemployment people are here, and they are creating many types of social problems like they are doing smuggling and many social indiscipline and robbery, etc. After that, population at that time population are treated as a burden. When population are over that time, they cannot prove themselves as a human resource, because they cannot get proper facilities or proper rights or proper education from family and government. That time they treat as a burden of a country. That's are the effects of the increasing population. After discussing the population growth, about the population growth and the reason behind the population growth and the effects of the population growth of Bangladesh, I hope you all understand it and you will identify the steps, which steps should be taken for eliminate this type of population problem. You will obviously read the book properly and identify the steps and solve the worksheet which is given in your website. Thank you very much, students.